Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Wistia, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Wistia account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Wistia anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing content, you know that Wistia is a popular way to create and manage your videos. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, wistia.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a Wistia account, you're going to click here on Get Started. Okay, once you do that, Wistia is going to show you their different plans and pricing. So from time to time, they do offer a free trial, as you can see right here. So one thing you want to be aware of, they do offer monthly and then also annually. If you do annually, you're going to end up getting a discount. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and do the monthly billing, and I'm going to start a free trial on advanced. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and create your Wistia account with your Google login, your Microsoft login, or you can do what I do and enter your first name, last name, email, and make a password. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click here, create an account. Okay, next, Wistia sent me an email confirmation to confirm my account. I'm going to go ahead and grab that email and click on it. Okay, I ended up receiving the email about 30 seconds later, and I clicked on the link and it brought me here. So Wistia is going to ask you a few questions to create your account. First off, what is the size of your company? What team are you on? Which feature do I want to try the most? And lastly, how did you hear about Wistia? Okay, once you filled that out, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, now they're asking what type of tasks I want to perform. So let's go ahead and click here. Okay, now it brings me here so I can go ahead and start using the feature immediately, but let me go back to the home screen. Okay, quick second later, it brings me here to the dashboard in my Wistia account. So now I can go ahead and start creating videos and adding in different users. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Wistia account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.